to Real Talk with Sarasota's luxury waterfront specialist, Roger Pettingill. Hey, Roger.
It's lunchtime. We're in the kitchen.
We're in the kitchen.
Where's the food?
And where are we in the kitchen?
We're in Tiffany Plaza. And you know, that's just a little bit north on the Key, so probably about a mile north of Publix. One of the things I love about Tiffany Plaza is the new Bayfront Park. You can walk right over there.
Very cool
remember,
amenity.
Tennis courts, the best pickleball courts ever. Waterfront, walking, playground. So that's just actually a very nice amenity for this building.
It is.
Which, you know, our customer bought this place and completely redid it, which is what we always wish people would do.
Right. I mean, he brought over an architect from Miami that he'd worked with previously, and he went to the studs. And the kitchen used to be in the back.
I know. I think this was a guest bedroom,
It
right?
was, I think,
As I remember.
yeah,
A very unattractive one.
You'll see in our before and after pictures.
And just, you know, things like this granite countertop, they call it a leather finish, and it
Gorgeous.
really kind of feels like a leather, but obviously easy to maintain.
Mm-hmm.
The wood flooring throughout with the very wide, I think 8-inch planks
Yeah.
is fantastic. And this is a condominium on the beach that's 3,000 square feet. It has the possible 4th bedroom that they're using kind of as a den family
Mm-hmm.
room now, but so you can have 4 bedrooms here, 3,000 top floor. And one of the things that really got our seller, big dog.
Yes, he has a Labrador Retriever. He has a big
wonderful
lab.
lab. And beachfront buildings are really not that accommodating to pets
Right.
sometimes, and especially large pets.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a great thing here. So this is a very exciting listing, and we
Yeah.
would love to show it to you.
Really. Be sure to visit TiffanyPlaza604.com or call us at 941-387-1840 to arrange a showing. Thanks so much for joining us. See you next time on Real Talk.